Good morning, everyone. I'm Ria Joshi. Today, I'm here to talk about an internship that I did at Phoenix Space Solutions, Cardiff. I was offered the role of a junior data analyst intern on a contract basis from 14th of March to 14th of December 2022. About Phoenix Space Solution. Phoenix Space Solution is an e-commerce service provider that provides a variety of services ranging from API integration, B2B managed services, B2B service integration, business process outsourcing, buyer or seller automation, SCS, and automation services. Now, I would like to briefly talk about my duties and responsibilities while I was working for the organization. My major responsibility was to use data mining to extract information from product dataset and to identify correlation and pattern. Use the extracted data to predict trends in customer base and customer population, perform statistical analysis of the data, and then use visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI to visualize the data in easy to understand format like graph and diagrams, improve the data quality, and then to remove corrupt data, preparing reports and presenting these to higher management and clients. Data mining, as we all know, is a practice of discovering patterns and trends in huge data sets that is stored in a variety of locations, being the company's internal database or different other online databases. Data mining can be a collective term that is used for several techniques that are used in industries as diverse as manufacturing, retail, healthcare, or security to derive insights from raw data. Role of data mining in information technology. Data mining plays a variety of roles in the information technology sector. A few of it is being discussed here. First one being business analytics. Business can improve their business decisions by identifying patterns and trends through data analysis. Management of customer relationship. Business can use data mining to improve their customer relationship management strategy by analyzing customers' data like preferences, purchasing history, and behavior. Detection of fraud. Data mining is used to find patterns and anomalies that could be sign of fraud, like insurance or credit card fraud. Healthcare. The analysis of patient care data, such as medical history and treatment outcome, has the potential to assist healthcare providers like the NHS in identifying patterns and enhancing patient care. Marketing. Data mining can be used to look at customer data and create individualized marketing campaigns based on what customers like and they do. Management of risk. Financial data can be analyzed using data mining to spot potential dangers like loan default or bankruptcy. Now we are discussing about the functions of data mining. Few of the functions of data mining include finding repeating elements, finding connection between elements, better decision making, and improved business. Advantages of data mining. Few of the advantages of data mining includes improved decision making, increased efficiency, improved customer relationship, risk reduction, innovation, and competitive advantage. Now, I would like to briefly discuss about a project that I undertook while I was working for the organization. The major aim of the project was to analyze the sales data of vehicles and to present the insights to the stakeholders and the senior management. Data collection. Through the use of Google Scholar, information was gathered from a wide range of sources such as Science Direct, IEEE, Elsewhere, NDPI, NRALS, and others. In addition, the primary source of data was the sales of automobiles. Data analysis. The method of data analysis is determined by the specifics of the inquiry. Furthermore, the data analysis method can be utilized to build links between different components of the research, which can then be used to explain the association. I've used tools like Python, Tableau, and Power BI for detecting and analyzing patterns and relationships and to display the results graphically. By using Power BI's analysis, customers may access manufacturer data that applies to vast majority of available models and to benefit from insightful visualization. Now, if you have a look at the graphs, we'll be able to find that a total of 157 models were produced by different manufacturers altogether, and companies like Dodge and Ford produced more number of models, that is a total of 11 models. during the period of our study. And the models produced were divided into two types as car and passenger models. More number of car models were produced by companies like Dodge and Ford, whereas more number of passenger models were produced by Chevrolet. Now we are going to find if there is any correlation between horsepower and fuel efficiency. In the context of statistical analysis, the term correlation refers to a method that can be used to ascertain the degree to which one variable is dependent upon the other variable in a linear fashion. According to the findings of correlation, there is a weakly negative link between the horsepower of vehicles and their fuel efficiency. Now we are comparing the sales of models by different manufacturers. We could see that Ford sold a total of 2023 cars, whereas Dodge sold 910 cars. There is a huge difference between these numbers, and the least number of cars were sold by models like Acura, followed by Subaru. So, and now I've done an analysis to see which model of Ford was sold the most. I could see that F series was the model that was most sold in the market. In my analysis, I decided to see the vehicle resale value for the models produced by Ford. I could find that Expedition was the model that has got greater resale value as compared to the rest of the model, and Escort is that model that has got least resale value. Now I wanted to see if there was any relationship between sale and the price of the models. I could infer from the analysis that there is a significant relationship between the price and the sales. Highly priced high-end cars were sold less, whereas cheaper models produced by companies were sold more. Now I'm comparing the curb weight and fuel efficiency of different manufacturers. I could see that the best relationship of between curb weight and fuel efficiency is provided by Ford as compared to the rest of the cars. So from my analysis, I could conclude that Ford produced cars that are high with resale value as compared to the rest of the cars. The price of the cars are cheap as compared to high-end cars, and also they produce more number of cars. The relationship between the curb weight and the fuel efficiency is high for models produced by cars. This could probably be some of the reasons that why Ford performs better in market. So some of the most prominent advantages of data mining include a reduced cost of operation, an increased degree of accuracy, increased efficiency, the ability to save time and money in comparison to manually searching through directories and databases, and a reduction in the amount of effort required. In data mining, equal weight is given to the utilization of both organized and unstructured data. It makes the most sense to gather the various pieces of information at various moments in the time given the specific properties of each item of data. Thank you so much for your patient listening.